This is my friend Sky. This is my train set. She's hooking it on. Watch very carefully. It's hooked.
Oh, it fell out.
This was only 36 cents. Or 37 cents, I forget. Maybe it's 38. Hold on.
How'd you do it?
It was only... Oh, 33 cents.
Wait, how do you do this? You might need to hook this part.
Okay, hold it. Like this.
Cool. Why does it work for you so easily? But
Because I know how to do things.
This is Emma. Hello. This is her putting the train together.
God, I'm gonna have so much fun with this once I get batteries in.
I know. I can see it right now.
Look at the excitement in my eyes. That's a circle. The train goes on like so.
And then it goes wee.
Train's gonna derail. It's gonna derail. Soon, I think. Did it derail?
No.
Well, it looks like it. Oh, and I got text.